Welcome back to Dilemma's Concepts. In this video, I want to evaluate the definite integral of x to the third plus 3x squared minus 5 dx from 1 to 2. So our lower limit is 1, our upper limit is 2. First things first, let us start off by taking the integral of this polynomial right there. So in taking the integral, what we really do is we add 1 to the power. So this is going to be x to the fourth, then divide by the new power over 4, plus, this is 3. So we're going to have x to the third. We're adding 1 to that power, then divide by that new power, minus, when we take the integral of 5, it's going to give us 5x. And then this, we're actually moving from 1 to 2. All right? So let us take a look to see what we have here. So basically, let me just simplify this quickly. So this is actually x to the fourth over 4 plus x to the third, because the 3 will cancel there, minus 5x. And we're taking it from 1 to 2. All right, so at this time, what we want to do is we're going to substitute our upper limit and then subtract our lower limit. So in substituting our upper limit, we're going to substitute 2, then raise it to the fourth. Then we're going to divide this by 4. We're going to add 2. We're going to raise it to the third. We're going to minus 5 times 2. So this is my upper limit being substituted in the function. Then I'm going to subtract now the lower limit. I'm going to be using that. So it's going to be 1 raised to the 4 over 4. Then I'm going to have plus 1 raised to the third. Then it's going to be minus 5 times 1. Let's work these out. I'm actually looking at 16 over 4 plus 8 minus 10. And then this negative sign will change everything inside. So if you take a look, I'm actually going to have 1/4, but it's going to be a minus. Then it's going to be a minus 1 here. And then this becomes positive 5. If I put together my positive numbers, now this will become 4 plus 8, then a plus 5. These are my positive numbers, just so we could see the negative numbers coming up. So all my negative numbers right here. So finally, 12 plus 5, that's going to give me 17. And then all my negative number will come to negative 11.25. What is this actually? Okay, it's going to actually be 5 and 3/4. And that is the response. So all of this is equal to 5 and 3/4. There you go. Thank you for watching Dilemma's Concepts. See you tomorrow when we'll be looking at another video. Bye-bye.